Hello, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in the tundra of Minnesota. I want to talk to you today. I've already talked about this before, about containers that I absolutely love. So the Container Store has a line, it's their own line called the Everything Organizer. It is fabulous. They take all kinds of direction and recommendations from other professional organizers and they perfect their bins. It is seriously one of the coolest things. I try to use these bins whenever possible because not only are they designed for like problems that most people run into in their home when they're trying to organize, but they're also super versatile. And one thing I love about them is that they're clear. They're clear. I can see what's inside the bin. My clients can see what's inside the bin. Our kids, our spouses, our significant others, they can all see what's inside of the bin. And you know what that helps? That helps when it's time to put things away or find things that you need. You know exactly what's in that bin and you know exactly where it goes and how to get it. And honestly, everyone else does too. So that's gonna take all of that stress and time off of you when other people can find the things they need and put away the things that they need to put away when that time comes around. So if you haven't yet, I really want you to check out the new Everything Organizer line at the Container Store. Super cool, innovative things in there, clear bins that you can utilize in your home, but also you can utilize and repurpose for other areas if you know the function or your lifestyle does change and as it evolves. I really recommend this. Get yourself some clear bins, put some labels on there. You're gonna be so happy that you made that investment. All right, next week we're gonna be back with more tips. So I will see you then. Let me know in the comments if you like the Everything Organizer bins.